Welcome back again to class. So today we're going to learn how to do our eyebrow. It's not that hard to actually draw your brows. It's very easy. So you're going to actually need your eye pencil, your concealer, blending brush. This is like a slant brush, like we're used to actually map out your concealer. Spoolie. This is my spoolie. I actually do two types of brow. I usually do the freehand brow and the normal eyebrow. So I'm going to teach you guys the freehand brow. I'm going to also teach you guys the normal brow. So I'm going to start first with the freehand brow. So I'm going to start by actually brushing my brows. Freehand brows are so easy to do. They are very, very easy. Can you guys see the shape of my brows already? That's what I'm going to just follow through. Always make sure your brow pencil is sharp when you are doing your makeup, especially your brow. Now let's start. The first thing I'm going to do when it comes to doing a freehand brow is that you're not going to go here. You're going to start with here to here, then draw from there. So this is what I do. See what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. One line. Why I'm drawing this line is to give my brow an edge. I know that there's more than this. Yeah. And I know that there's more than this. Not that hard, it's very easy. I take my spoolie, then I brush. It's as easy as that. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do the regular brow that we are used to in this eye. If you watch my how to shape your brows with a razor, I showed you a particular hack on how to know your arc. You want to do that the same thing too for your eyebrow. So you're going to go here and then tilt this towards here. So it's going to be this arc. So my arc is here. Do you understand? So I'm going to draw here. I'm going to use a spoolie first to actually brush my brows to its actual shape so I can see what I'm working with. After that, you need to do so the next thing you want to do is go up here, then draw. I'm not starting from here, you guys can see, because I still want my natural brows to kick in. And now the brows are actually coming to life. Can you guys see it? Can you see that shape? Can you see that shape? It's coming to life. It's not hard. If you draw, if you shape your brows properly, doing your brows is not going to be hard tasks for you. I promise you. I'm going to just fill it in with light stroke. I'm not doing heavy stroke. That's how we do. We do a light stroke on the brow. I want my arc to show properly. I'm done with this. What I'm going to go in do next is that I'm going to use my concealer to do my brows. So I forgot to tell you guys that you also need your liquid foundation when your skin tone foundation when you're doing your brows, because that goes up, doesn't go down. So I'm gonna just apply this here. Pray for no song, no day, no life, no season. Pray for the hope gone. If you don't know how to, you don't necessarily have to use this like I am. I'm using it because I'm used to using this. I'm not used to using this brush, but it's best to use this brush. Like I don't know what they call it. I really don't know what they call it, but I'll look for them and attach it to the video. That you actually use it. Let me show you guys how to use this one too. Because it's not fair that I teach you guys my method alone. I'll teach you guys the easy method. You use this actually just draw it. And it's easier. Just remember how I taught you guys I told you guys that when you're using your beauty blender, it should not be dry. The same thing goes for your brush. Any blush I need to apply anything, foundation, be it concealer or foundation, it should not be dry. I'm gonna dab this with my wipes and I'm gonna blend. And blending is you have to dab. Remember my video, if you've not watched that video, go and watch it. How I showed you guys how to actually apply your foundation on your skin. You're going to dab, meant to beat it. Do not be aggressive with your skin. Don't be aggressive, okay? You don't have to be aggressive. And also I forgot to mention, for the freehand brow, you can also apply your concealer on it. For the upper part of the brow, I'm going to be using my liquid foundation. Let me just pour a little. I'm gonna use my application brush to apply it here. The place where I use is well. And with that, we actually have our eyebrows. And that's how to actually do your simple eyebrows. You can choose to either apply a concealer underneath this, and that is all. That's actually what I do when I do freehand. You can just leave it like this. I'll see you guys in the next class.